Hello friends, this is the different pictures which is showing depressed sternum. See, the first picture is a chest x-ray PA view. Here in the chest x-ray PA view, due to the depressed sternum, the heart displaces to the left and it also rotates so that the left heart has straight configuration. So this is the picture of PA view of chest x-ray showing depressed sternum. If you see, this is the lateral chest x-ray which is showing depressed sternum. Here you can see the depressed sternum here. This one. Here you can see the depressed sternum. Whereas this is the CT scan, that is axial CT scan showing the depressed sternum. See, this is the normal chest, chest wall. Here you can see this depressed part. This bone is sternum. So this is depressed sternum which you can see in axial CT scan. This depressed sternum, there is a name for it. It is called as pectus excavatum or funnel chest. It is called as pectus excavatum or funnel chest. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.